Welcome to episode 3, season 4 of Ramadan Cafe. Today I'm going to show you how to make nut-free sheer korma. The ingredients you will need is 1/4 cup of cream, 1 cup water, and 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 to 2 cloves, and savayye. Turn your stove on and put 1 cup water into it. Then put your savayyas in. Stir it until it comes to a boil. You'll see it start bubbling up when it starts boiling. After that, add your sugar and the 2 cups of milk. Make sure to follow this process because it's really important while you're making sheer korma. Then add 2 to 3 cloves inside and then wait for the milk to boil. After the milk boils, add cream, and I'm adding this additionally, you can add khoya. Make sure you break it down and quickly stir it because otherwise it will pop. Then quickly turn off the stove and take it off from the heat. Then stir it well until everything is all cooled down. Then serve it in a bowl.